I'm Steve from ArcticFX. We're going to be doing an install on this Pro Cross Series snowmobile today, and I'm going to show you a few tips while we're doing it. These two pieces here give people some trouble we've found. I'm starting at a corner, pulling it against the edge down to one corner, and then I pull it forward against this edge. I work out the bubbles by keeping my hand underneath and working it out with my squeegee. I had found a few air bubbles when I was laying this down in this area here, so I peeled it all right back up, give it a little heat to help it lay back down. That'll get rid of the air bubbles if you peel it back to where they are and lay it back down. This one here, if you keep it nice and straight and tight, you can tuck it underneath until you get it where you want it.